to POD by Taimoor Hassan. It's me, Taimoor Hassan. Today we are going to start up our first lecture with the nervous system. We'll discuss sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system in details in the next lectures. So the nervous system, by definition, it is an organ system having a network of specialized cells called neurons which coordinate actions and transmit signals between different parts of the body. It is divided into the central nervous system and that of the peripheral nervous system, CNS, and that of the PNS. CNS, it consists of the brain and the spinal cord, and that in the peripheral nervous system, it consists of the nerves which transmit messages from the brain to the rest of the body. It connects the CNS to the sensory organ. This peripheral nervous system is further divided into the sensory division, which is also called afferent, and we have a motor division which is also called efferent. Motor division, this will carry information from the CNS to the whole body, and it consists of the motor neurons. This is further divided into the somatic nervous system and that of the autonomic nervous system. In the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system, the main difference is the somatic nervous system controls the voluntary activity, and that of the autonomic nervous system that will control the involuntary activity. This somatic nervous system, it consists of the cranial nerves, which are 12 in number, and that will exit from the brain, and it also consists of the spinal nerves that are 31 in pairs, that are just 31 pairs, and that will exit from the spinal cord. This somatic nervous system will control the skeletal as well as the external sensory organs, for example the skin. And about the autonomic nervous system, this system is involved in, as I have told you already, that this is involved in the involuntary activity. It is further divided into the sympathetic system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic division, this one is involved in the flight and fight, and the parasympathetic nervous system, it is involved in the rest and digest. Now we move on to the again sensory division. Its other name is the afferent division, by name A for afferent and A for away. This will carry signals away from the sensory organ to the CNS. It is further divided into the somatic sensory and that of the visceral sensory. By the somatic sensory, we just mean that it will carry information about the sense of the touch as well as the pain and temperature to the brain. And the visceral sensory, that carry impulses from the viscera and glands and blood vessel to the CNS. That's all for nervous system. Thank you.